So, are you guys ready for tomorrow? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Techman Solutions here with a quick stock market update. I want to keep you guys up to date with the overall reports that are set to be released tomorrow. The series of economic reports that I'm mainly focusing on are the PCE prices report as well as the Chicago PMI. So that will be released 1 hour before the market opens. Sorry, everything but the PMI is going to be released 1 hour before the market opens, and then 15 minutes after the market opens, we're going to have the Chicago PMI report. And again, that's going to be in today's or tomorrow's live session. One of the things that I quickly wanted to ask you is I'm thinking of hosting a free live trading session because tomorrow is the last day of the month and the last trading day of the month. Those are normally pretty significant days. And again, I would love to host the free live trading. All I want is just enough people to show up for me to host this. So if this video gets over 1,500 likes by tomorrow at market open, I will host a free live trading session. So if you've ever wanted to be able to see what it's like to see someone buy, to see someone sell, share their thought process, and get a taste of what our Learn Plan Profit group gets to experience every single day, then again, make sure you drop a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get alerted when it is that I go live. But other than that, I wanted to just make sure that we quickly talk about where the market is currently at, especially after today's wild day. So as of right now, NASDAQ futures are trading a little bit higher. But again, it doesn't really matter where they're at during extended hours because they always tend to change direction by the time the market actually opens. So again, those reports that are set to be released tomorrow during that pre-market session or 1 hour pre-market most likely will influence the market or will influence the overall stock market. But again, the biggest thing that I want to talk about are significant price levels. And right now we have a support level right around that 270 range for QQQ. QQQ is a NASDAQ ETF. It follows the NASDAQ market. So the NASDAQ market is very oversold. It's still bearish, but it's showing signs of a support. So now it's going to be exciting to see that if the last day of the month, if we finally begin to recover and make our way back to the moving average, or are we going to actually make new lows? But at the end of the day, it doesn't actually matter because even if the market sells off, there's always opportunity that will present itself as long as we see a clear direction. If the market is bullish, then we will trade TQQQ. The market is bearish, then we can go into SQQQ. So again, I'm very excited to kind of share this experience with you guys in tomorrow's live session, and I hope that we can make it for free, but I guess that's up to you guys. So again, if you guys want me to host that free live stream tomorrow right at market open, all you literally need to do is drop a thumbs up, get this video to over 1,500 likes before the market opens tomorrow. And again, it should be a fun live stream and a great way to end the overall month. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, turn on your post notifications. And if you have any questions about what we talked about today, make sure you click the first link in the description of this video. So feel free to message me via Discord or feel free to follow me on Instagram and you can message me there. And that's that third link down below. And again, my Instagram account is verified and that is my only Instagram account. All the other ones are fake, and friendly reminder, I will never message you first, and I don't have a Telegram and I don't have a WhatsApp. Those are all fake accounts pretending to be me. The only team that I work with on a closer basis is my Learn Plan Profit group, so please make sure that you are aware of that. All right, I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.